Right now, your sentiment score is at plus 0.045, with momentum peaking at plus 0.424. This spike is unusual considering that sentiment typically hovers around the baseline, but today, it suggests a meaningful shift. With 20 semantic clusters identified, you can dive deep into the nuances driving this change. You can use this API to get a consolidated view of market sentiment and momentum in real time, allowing you to adjust your strategies effectively. Imagine you're developing an algorithm that reacts to sentiment shifts. You can program it to execute trades based on these sudden spikes, optimizing your entry and exit points. For more on integrating this powerful data into your projects, check out pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's build something insightful together.